Today, we're talking about one of the most insane and trending vehicles on YouTube in 2026. The Scania TITAN 12x12, a truck that doesn't just push the limits of trucking engineering, it obliterates them. And the reason this behemoth is blowing up trends, reaction videos, comments across platforms is because it represents a level of capability and ambition most people have only imagined until now. This isn't your typical heavy-duty truck. This is a 12-wheeled Titan build that feels like a mobile fortress, an expedition machine, a logistics legend, and an engineering marvel, all wrapped into one incredible platform. From the moment the first teaser images hit social feeds, views exploded, and when full walkarounds and test footage started dropping, everybody from truck lovers to gearheads to casual viewers started watching, sharing, and debating what this truck really represents. From the first second you lay eyes on the Scania TITAN 12x12, thing becomes obvious. This machine is not for the faint of heart. It towers over conventional trucks with an imposing front fascia, massive wheelbase, some 12 powered wheels, 6 on each side that give it unmatched traction, stability, and sheer presence on almost any terrain. Creators are loving the aerial shots, because when you see the Titan 12x12 cruising across desert plains, climbing rocky shores, or just rolling down the highway, it looks almost mythical, like a vehicle made for landscapes where ordinary trucks simply can't survive. That visual spectacle alone makes footage irresistible to viewers scrolling through YouTube feeds. The heart of this beast is its powertrain. It's a multi-axle masterpiece that combines an enormous diesel engine with advanced torque distribution systems and intelligent drivetrain logic. Imagine a truck that can deliver earth-moving torque at low speeds while maintaining stable, comfortable cruise capability at highway RPM. That's what the Titan 12x12 feels like when you watch it accelerate from a standstill. Reaction videos focus heavily on how instant torque floods all 12 wheels, giving this massive rig a punch that feels closer to a locomotive than a traditional truck. Whether it's a twin-turbo V-engine or a state-of-the-art hybrid power assist, creators are breaking down the numbers, the sound profiles, and the real-world performance in ways that keep viewers glued to every second. Traction is another huge topic. This is a truck that literally grips the earth with confidence. 12 drive wheels mean the Scania TITAN 12x12 can spread torque intelligently across uneven surfaces, giving it the capability to handle snowy mountain roads, slick mud tracks, desert sand dunes, and unstable construction sites where others would bog down. Multi-angled trail footage, especially those climbing steep embankments or crawling through challenging mud pits, racks up massive engagement, because viewers are thrilled to see a machine of this scale actually perform in conditions that usually stop even well-equipped vehicles. Walk-around videos are exploding because every inch of this truck has purpose. Creators zoom in on the reinforced chassis, massive differential housings, beefed-up suspension arms, and heavy-duty brakes that look like they belong on a tank, not a road truck. The body design includes integrated protection panels, modular accessory points, roof-mounted lighting, winches, and other expedition gear, all of which makes the Titan 12x12 feel like it's ready for missions, not just transport runs. When you pair these visuals with dynamic music and drone shots, the result is cinematic content that gets clicked, shared, and rewatched. Inside the cab, this beast doesn't disappoint. Interior tours are among the most watched segments because they show a surprisingly refined space compared to the monster exterior, and that contrast keeps viewers engaged. Scania has equipped the Titan 12x12 with a driver-focused cockpit, ergonomic luxury seating, digital instrument clusters, smart connectivity options, climate-controlled comfort, and tons of storage, all designed to make life easier during long hauls or remote expeditions. Creators especially highlight how the interior feels driver-centric, with intuitive controls and digital feedback systems that make operating such a powerful machine feel inspiring rather than intimidating.